In prime-time news this evening, Finance Ministry in damage control mode after delay in public sector salary payments. Public sector unions call for reassessment as salary delay is not the only issue. And a former parliamentarian insists he's innocent after damning Contractor General report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, it may be a good idea to head to the pumps. That's after you watch Primetime News, as gas prices are going up effective tomorrow. I'll tell you by how much later on.
All right, some good advice there from Javon. From Javon, we go to Jeremy. He'll give us some good advice in sports. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, I'll tell you who will be advising the West Indies cricket team. Well, a Jamaican has been appointed interim head coach. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. With goat meat in short supply, would you be open to including deer meat on your Christmas menu?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Dear me. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.